Okay, for part 2 we're going to see the facilities here. I take my bucket bath in this little area. Oh, that's my bucket bath sitting spot, I guess you could say that. And it was kind of hard to take bucket baths at first because, as you can see, the walls aren't very high, and I get a little self-conscious. And there's my house, and my family's compound is that way, but I guess you can't see it. Alright, so we're going to leave here. We have to duck. I learned that the hard way the first time. And now we're going to go into the bathroom. Coo, coo, coo. Alright. And up, there's the bathroom. Soak it in, folks. It's good stuff. And I just always hope that no one comes in when I'm in here. And those are the facilities. And if we go up here, there's just kind of animals everywhere. It's just kind of how they roll here. Little babies. There's a baby goat hiding under there right now that is really dehydrated, and I made it all better. Let's see if we can see it. Oh, it's sleeping right there. I hope it's not dead. I'll check in a little bit. And that's the front of my compound right there.